Good morning, students. So, today we are going to complete the chapter or the exercise 7.6. Yes, there was a question, there was a note which I found stating that chapter or exercise 7.5 was not done. However, what I'll suggest say that if you people look into chapter 7.4, you will find that most of the sums or almost all sums, the sums of chapter 7.5 is same. So I'll suggest you people to do it of your own. Yeah, in case if you experience any problem, please feel free to call me. I'll definitely help you to get the problem solved. Now let's come to chapter 7.6. 7.6 we did till sum number 5. Today we are going to complete the next 4 and we will move to the next. We will complete this chapter. So, in sum number 6, we are going to do sum number 6. In sum number 6, it is said that a piece of wire 7 by 8 meter long broke into two pieces. One piece was 1/4 meter, and what is the, we need to find out the length of the other piece. The total length of the wire is 7 by 8 meter. However, 1/4 of a meter of the wire was cut from the total length. So, what is this? We need to find out the length of the wire remaining. So, we need to find out the remaining length. So, the total length of the wire is 7 by 8. Right? 7 by 8. Just assume that you have a wire which the length of that wire is 7 by 8 meters. You give 1/4 of the meter to your friend. So what you will do to find out the remaining? Then simply we will minus this. So the LCM of 8 and 4 is 8. Let's find it out. So it's 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8. So the LCM is 8. Now 8, this particular 8, this 8 is going to come only once in this 8. So 1 into 7. Write it like this. 4 comes 2 times in 8. So 2 into 1. Now, if you solve this problem, you'll find it as 7 minus 2, which is 5 minus 8. 5 by 8. So, the total length of the wire remaining is 5 by 8. And this will be your answer. So let's come to the next sum. Let me drop the board. So in sum number 7, it is seen Nandini's house is 9 by 10 kilometers from her school. She walked some distance and then took a bus for half kilometer to reach the school. How far did she walk? So the total distance is 9 by 10 kilometers. She walks a distance and take a bus. Thus, the distance traveled by bus is half a kilometer. We need to find out the distance she walked. The distance traveled by walking. So, this total distance of 9 by 10 consists of bus plus walk. We got the distance she is traveling by bus, so we need to find out this one, how much she walked. So again, it's a very simple method. We need to deduct this. So what we do, we will write 9 by 10 minus 1 by 2. The LCM of 10 by 2 is 10. So LCM of 10 by 2 is 10. 10 comes 1 times in 10. So 1 by 9. And 2 comes for 5 times in 10. So 5 into 1. So if you calculate this, it comes as 9 minus 5 by 10. Your answer will be 4 by 5 kilometers. Sorry, I apologize. It will be 4 by 10 kilometers traveled by walking. So this will be your answer. This is how you need to do. Then so this are the type of the fractions which are given over here you need to solve. So there are two more sums which are of the same similar type. I'll advise you people to do it of your own and to find out the answer. Now let's move to the next chapter, which is chapter number 8, the decimals. Let's move to chapter 8. Topic is decimals. Now let's talk about decimal. What is decimal? Decimal, as we did in fractions, we wrote, sometimes we got a fraction as 7/4, where when this is an improper fraction, and when we converted them into a proper fraction or a mixed fraction, we wrote as 1/3/4. This is what we did in fraction. However, in decimals, we will take it to the nearest point. So in suppose you have 7/4. Oh, we will divide 7/4, so it comes as 1. 4, it comes as 3. Now 4 cannot go in 3, so what we do over here, we put a point and take it as a 0. Then it comes 7 times 28 to 0, gives us 5. This is how we do the decimals. We take it to the nearest point or to the nearest decimals where we can take it. So now coming to the decimals. And in case of decimals, what we do, suppose we have a number as 1. Okay, we divided 7/4, we got a result as 1.75. Okay, Now, what we do in such cases is we, so in this case, this is ones, the number, and after ones, it comes as 1 by 100, 1 by tens. Sorry. Let's remove this. Let's take some other number. Okay. Let's take a number as 66.78. When there is a point over here, then we all studied about ones, which we mark as O, then tens, hundreds. So this ones will start from here, then the tens. Now, when we are taking to the left side of the point, we are increasing it from ones to tens. However, on the other end, on the right side, first one will be 1 by 10, the second one will be 1 by 100, the third one, if there is any third number, let me take this also. So it will increase like that. The first number will be 1 by 10, then 1 by 100, then 1 by 1000. It will proceed forward. Good. So let's try to work out some problems from chapter 8.1. Okay, students, let's finish up our session over here for today. Okay, I'll take this class tomorrow. Don't work out on decimals. I just gave a rough idea about decimals. Keep this in your mind. And tomorrow we will start working on chapter 8.1. and we will proceed forward with the chapter. Okay.